In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bitget Convert. Bitget Convert is a feature that allows users to quickly and easily convert one cryptocurrency into another within the Bitget platform. Here's how to use Bitget Convert. On the website, navigate to the Bitget website on your web browser. Click on Trade at the navigation bar at the top of the website, then select Convert from the drop-down menu. Launch the Bitget mobile application on your device if you want to do it on the app. Tap on Trade at the navigation bar at the bottom of the app interface and then select Convert at the top of the screen. Using Bitget Convert is simple and convenient, whether you're accessing it through the website or mobile app. By following these steps, users can easily convert cryptocurrencies within the Bitget platform. Some of the current supported currencies are BTC, Ethereum, USDT, XRP, ADU, and LTC. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.